What is up everyone, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Meet, and this tutorial is for teachers. So first off, head over to Google or any browser that you like. On the search bar, type in Google Meet, or if you want to join through the link, just type in meet.google.com, then it will navigate you to this main home page of Google Meet. Now, if you want to create an instant immediate meeting, just simply click on this new meeting button and you will see these three options like create a meeting for later. From this, you can create a meeting for some later time. And then this option is start an instant meeting. This is to start an instant meeting on Google Meet now. And then the third option is schedule the meeting in Google Calendar. Now, from this option, you can schedule a Google meeting in your Google Calendar. For now, I am clicking on start an instant meeting. On your left side here is the meeting link. Just copy this and send it to all the members that you want them to join. And then after that, you can turn on the captions. You can send the reactions from here. And if you want to present something, just simply click on present now and it will show you what do you want to present. And then just simply click on it and just click on share. So it will present it on the screen. And then after that, if you want to raise the hand or you want to ask someone, you can do it with this option. And from the three dots, you can change the layout. So here you can see there are multiple layout options that you can change from. I will just simply keep auto dynamic for now. And when you click on the three dots again, you will have option to opt for the full screen and you can open picture in picture mode too. But if you don't have a good background for yourself, just simply click on background and effects. And here you can see there are these new background effects. And if you don't want to keep anything in the background, just simply view this blur and personal backgrounds. From this, you can just select from any of these two backgrounds. It will blur your background and just simply show your face. If you want a professional background, you can just choose from these. If you want a cozy home background, you can choose from these like this. And if you want some filters, here are some filters that you can choose from. And in this appearance section, you can adjust this video lighting by when you just turn on this option, the laptop screens adjust the video lighting according to your face and your background. And when you turn on this framing option, option puts you in the center of the screens. And here are some of the styles that you can choose from. But if you want to schedule a meeting for later, click on new meeting and create a meeting for later. This is the joining info. Just simply copy the link and send it to the members that you want them to join. They can either join through the link or code will be sent, so they can just simply enter the code and join the meeting. That was all for the video. Thank you for watching.